Hi guys, this is Denise Brooks with Alexis Information Systems. Today's topic is 4 things that, if added to your website, could make a difference in your traffic. These are things that I feel are left out because they are not as popular as all the other features, but they are small key tools that could make a difference to your website. The first one is adding the social media codes to your website. So for example, if you get your website verified with Pinterest, what you would need to do is add the code that Pinterest gives you to your website. That way any traffic that is generated through Pinterest will be recorded in your analytics. That way you can see how Pinterest has contributed to your website growth. And speaking of analytics, Google Analytics also is a tool that you want to have on your website. So sometimes people create the website and forget to add the code. If you go to your Google account and you open the Google Analytics, you can set up a property profile for your website and generate an HTML code that you can then come back and add to your website. That way your traffic is then tracked. Well, tracking your traffic with Google gives you a lot of insight that you can only get from, well, the biggest search engine optimization tool there is out there. You only need traffic information from them. You don't need to pay somebody extra for that. Also with Google, every time that you create your website, also a new website for a new business, don't forget to create a Google My Business profile where you can set up the business information, including your website information, because that will also contribute positively to your website traffic. Now, last but not least, think of having a place on your website where people can sign up to receive news, blogs, or emails from you. It's called an Optin. So if you want to have an opt-in option, the best tool that I know is MailChimp. MailChimp is really friendly. It's really easy. It's got a really nice app. I've been using MailChimp for, gosh, I don't know how long, maybe since 2012. I really like their features. I like the way that company grows, and I like the way that company actually caters to small business owners. So what you would do is you would create your account, set up a list, and then you can call that list website customers. And once you set up that list, you can go to the settings, copy that code. You're following now with copying codes. Copy that code and then paste it to your website. It's that easy. So I'm going to recap. What we're trying to do today is think of the 4 little things that we could do to improve our website. And there are tools that we can use by adding codes from those tools. Google Analytics, Pinterest, Google My Business, and then last but not least, MailChimp. If you have any more questions about website and just ideas, please feel free to visit our website or look at all the postings that we have on social media. Thank you. If you like this video, please subscribe.